Hello guys, welcome back. This tutorial we will learn how to using commands in PHP. If you want to creating some commands, you can using forward slash, double forward slash. You can enter any text here. Sorry, can add text for description for your text. This for my editor creating this. Okay, we can using some variables, name equal Muhammad. You can use commands by side the variable name bar. The comment is in PHP or any language used for describe your part of your code. Using name, you can using this name section. You can declare all names last equal. Can using last name bar. You can using hash to add some variables here. You can using hash also to comment these variables. Reload nothing because all these variables are commented. If you using echo name, you will only say this echo. We will use it to echo last. Reload only echo Muhammad because this variable not commented. If I echo this last variable, this will give me error because this variable not defined. Let's test. Not defined variable last in line 9. Let's say this variable not defined because I have commented this variable. Let's uncomment it and reload. Variable is printed. Okay, we know comments in PHP used only for description, not executable. I wish this very helpful for you. If you have liked the video, please share and like and subscribe. Thank you.